Hello po everyone! Kamusta po kayo dyan sa Vietnam Lucan? Lalo-lalo na sa mga tatay. Happy Father's Day po sa inyong lahat. Especially to my beloved Brother Arnel. Happy Father's Day to you. Ang dalangin ko lagi ay higit tayo na pagpalain ng Diyos sa ating mga ministeryo na tinanggap mula sa ating Panginoon. Kaya I miss you and I love you. Bumalik ka na dito sa Hong Kong. Inaantay kita. Happy Father's Day and God bless!
Hello, Dada. Happy Father's Day. I love you. Thank you for everything in the world. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Step I love you. Father's Day. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. You're the best dad that God has given me. Daddy, thank you for your efforts. Thank you for your hard works. For always providing for me and Mama. Daddy, even though you're tired, masakit yung ulo mo, masakit yung katawan mo, you still manage to stand up and work. And that makes you the strong father as you are. Daddy, thank you for everything. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. And me and Mama here will always miss you and support you like you support us. Duray na kaungit ka kay kaya't kalata. Always keep safe. Love you.
Sino mas love ni Pet? Mama, Papa? Sino mas love ni Pet? Mama, Papa? Sino mas love ni Pet?
Papa.
Sino mas love mo? Mama, Papa?
Papa.
Mama, Papa? Sino mas love mo? Mama, Papa?
Happy Father's Day, Dada!
This is my anniversary, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy!
I love you, Daddy.
Go!
Happy Father's Day, Papa! We love you! There's a farm there. Yes. Very hot.
Happy Father's Day, na! LA and Justin! Be good there in Vietnam. Okay, and always pray. Love you, na.
Lodi, Happy Father's Day! Kumusta naman po kayo dyan? Tsaka yung kapatid kong maliit na babae. Nakalimutan ko pangalan niya. Pero, thank you po sa suporta niya over these few years, the 6 years, na di mo ako pinabayaan na every month binibigyan mo ako. Kaya, thank you po. I give my dearest, I give my dearest love to you. I love you. Bye-bye!